Eating soaked almonds early in the morning is a practice at so many houses. And have you ever wondered why is it necessary to have it in the morning? Why soaked almonds, and how many can one take in a day? Is it okay to have it daily? And when can we give it to little babies? So in this video, I'm going to clarify all these details. So do watch it till the end. Let's first talk about the benefits of almonds. Almond is rich in nutrients like magnesium, vitamin E, and dietary fiber. It is great to strengthen digestive system. It is good for heart. It is great for skin, and because it has healthy fat, it is also something that gives high energy, because babies and kids are on toes all the time. They are super active. It is very good for them. And why is it necessary to eat soaked almonds only? It is great to have it that way because we all know in India pulses, grains are much eaten post soaking. Our elders or ancestors knew that this process helps absorption of nutrients in the body, and that is one reason. Another reason is almond comes with a skin, brown skin, which also contains tannin. Now this hinders the process of absorption, and hence it is necessary to soak it, peel it, and then have it. So peeling becomes easy once you soak it, right? These are the two reasons. And now why to have it early in the morning? Our body is well rested, the digestive system especially, and it has all the energy to absorb the nutrients. Now when can I start giving it to my child? If you have a baby at home, post 8 months you can start it. WHO recommends offering all the food that you have in your tradition, in the native place that you are, because that becomes easy for the baby to adjust to, adapt to, and also there are lesser chances of any allergies post 1 year. So for them, how I can give it? You can make it as a powder, add it into their porridge and offer it, or you can grate it, or you can make a paste of it and add it to their food. And for them, one alternate day is fine, not too much. For younger children, 3 to 4 a day, and for adults, 6 to 8 is great. And can I have it daily? This becomes a very common question, but let me tell you, yes, it is good, but it is necessary that we alternate and keep rotating other superfoods as well. Superfoods, ingredients, grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables that we can keep alternating with, especially early in the morning, that you can have. So do try them as well. And yes, people, I hope I answered all the queries related to soaked almond. And towards the end, I would like to tell you, we are on a mission healthy next gen. The generation today is prone to having junk food. It is easy to pick up a packet and have it and not love our own food. I'm talking about most percentage, and we as well are so addicted to unhealthy foods, and we find it is okay to have unhealthy food. So these videos we are making to tell you what all things are available naturally to us in our country, easily available, and we can make it at home very quickly. So we share recipes, we share tips and ideas on how to include superfoods like the one I have made today, and how we can safeguard our children from the polluted environment that we are in, how we can increase their immunity. So please consider following us and sharing this video amongst your friends, and we'll see you soon in yet another one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.